Lesson 3. Making Good Health Choices. Timmy was entering a new school and decided this was a good time to make some changes. Timmy wanted to learn how to make better choices about things that influence his life and health. At some point, you may decide to make some major changes in your life just as Timmy did. In this lesson, you'll learn how you can take responsibility for your health by making good choices. Living healthily. Every day, you make choices that influence your health. For example, you choose what to eat for lunch, what to study, what to do for fun, and whom to have as your friends. These choices determine your lifestyle. A lifestyle is a set of behaviors that you live by. To maintain a healthy lifestyle, you will want to develop a good attitude about your health. Your attitude is a way of acting, thinking, or feeling that causes you to make one choice over another. A good attitude will allow you to listen to advice about healthy living. It will also help you avoid things that will harm you, such as tobacco, alcohol, and drugs. A good attitude puts you in charge of your health. Taking control of your health. How can you take charge of your health? Like Timmy, you must first decide to improve your lifestyle. Next, you should decide which part of health you want to work on. For example, you may want to focus on your physical health by starting an exercise routine. But don't forget about your emotional, mental, and social health too. If you are not exactly sure how to improve a certain part of your health, talk to your parents or another trusted adult. Healthcare and personal responsibility. What responsibilities do you have? You may answer that you are responsible for cleaning your room and feeding your dog. But what is your responsibility for your health care? How often do you brush and floss your teeth? Eat healthy food, exercise, and sleep for 8 hours every night. Wear safety equipment when you play sports. Buckle your seatbelt. Avoid behavior that will get you in trouble. If you do these things regularly, you are being responsible for your health by practicing preventative health care. Preventative health care is taking steps to ensure you prevent illness and accidents. These steps include regular visits to your doctors and dentists, as well as regular vaccinations. Finding health problems early can prevent serious illness.